Parasilico AM85-1. Neutral construction silicone. High professional quality. For use indoors and outdoors. Various technical applications.
De ATG, de technische goedkeuring met certificaat.
The ATG Certified Technical Approval document demonstrates that a construction product is deemed to be suitable for a specific application. The approval process is based on standards which may be of European or international origin, or documents drawn up by a group or body representing the whole range of people, companies and services operating in the building sector. The ATG certificate is used by the Belgian Union for Technical Approval in the building sector, whose members include administrations such as the Flemish, Brussels Capital and Walloon regions, representatives of the building industry such as the WTCB, and inspection bodies such as SICO. The Union can therefore rightly claim to represent all the building industry's stakeholders. Approval procedure is designed to ensure that consumers can be confident the products they are buying are suitable for their needs. This makes life easier for them, as they no longer have to check whether a manufacturer is making false claims. Users are issued a document clearly showing what to expect from the product. Thanks to the certified technical approval, products are also constantly audited to ensure they continue to meet the requirements set out in the document. A competent agency is tasked with carrying out the audits at the manufacturer's premises, while tests are done in the manufacturer's laboratory and an out-of-company laboratory. The ATG technical approval process is echoed in neighbouring countries with similar systems, such as SNJF in France and COMO in the Netherlands. To conclude, the ATG certificate offers users a guarantee that a product is fit for purpose.
Zekerheid betreffende de geschiktheid van het product voor de beoogde toepassing.
When the time comes to choose a silicone, people are often utterly confused, overwhelmed by the huge range on offer, the many recommendations and options, and there may be huge differences in quality.
Een van de belangrijkste kwaliteitsparameters van silicone is de goede adhesie.
One of silicone's key quality parameters is the way it bonds well with a variety of bases. Take, for example, acetic silicone, which is a bit cheaper than neutral cross-linked silicone, but has a poorer adhesion profile. For example, in tests on various kinds of plastics, its bonding performance is rated from less good to poor. The adhesion profiles also vary considerably in the case of neutral cross-linked silicone. The better the sealant's adhesion profile, the more it is fit for all purposes. Silicone's second key quality parameter is its volume loss. The cheaper the solvents and organic softening agents used in production, the cheaper the product is to buy, but the downside is a decline in quality. The cheaper version produces a more hollow finish than the more expensive one. The decrease in volume is concomitant with an increase in the inner tension, and there is a risk of the adhesive becoming detached from the base. A third key quality parameter is the elastic resilience, which means the silicone's ability to retract after being stretched. The more it is able to retract, the higher the quality of the silicone. If a load is placed on a joint so it stretches but does not completely return to its initial position, the materials will become convex over time.
En de kit keert niet mooi terug naar zijn initiële positie, dan zal deze na verloop van tijd bol komen te staan.
Parasilico VP. Paintable silicone sealant. Easy to apply. Can be tooled dry. UV stable. First of all, a few words about the VOC 2010 paints.
VOC stands for Volatile Organic Compounds. Generally made from petroleum products, this group of fast-evaporating substances is found not only in paint, but also in glue, cleaning agents, diesel, petrol, and many other products. A European Union directive has been adopted in a bid to limit the VOC emissions. The first phase, rolled out in 2007, was followed by a second, stricter one in 2010. As a result of the directive, a lot of the different types of paints contain less VOCs than they did a few years ago, which is good news for the environment because when the compounds end up in the atmosphere, they increase the concentration of ozone. In the case of paint, the most well-known solvent, VOC, is white spirit.
In common with most silicones, Parasilico VP is applied with a handgun or air pistol. Parasilico VP's viscoelasticity ensures that it's more effective for dry tooling than any of the other standard silicones now available. This silicone kit is perfect for glass window seals, particularly when overpainting is an option. Parasilico VP can be overpainted when it's completely hard. It's best to slightly roughen the silicone surface joint with a scourer. Then degrease it with Parasilico cleaner ready for painting. Parasilico Monument replaces traditional window mastic, perfect for renovations. Durable elasticity, no cracking or splitting. Parasilico Monument may be applied with a handgun or air pistol. Use a suitable nozzle to obtain the required volume in a triangle. After the application, the product is leveled off with Parasilico DL100. Parasilico Monument is easier to apply than traditional window mastic, and the application parameters are much less temperature dependent. A perfect result is achieved with a minimum of actions. Since Parasilico Monument is silicone-based, no extra coating is required. It retains its elasticity, is UV-resistant, and does not need overpainting. In a nutshell, the perfect alternative to linseed oil sealant. Parasilico Premium. Easy to apply. Can be tooled dry perfectly for use in sanitary applications. A wide range of colors. In the construction process, certain seals between structural components are preferably finished with an elastic joint. Parasilico Premium is marvelously easy to apply. Its viscosity prevents any excessive sticking or cobwebbing. Parasilico Premium hardly sticks to the fingers when finished, and it provides more than enough adhesive strength for a wide range of materials. Thanks to these specific properties, professionals are able to complete many more extra meters an hour, while offering a high standard of work. Occasional and professional users alike can count on being able to work with a professional product to obtain a perfect result. The days when silicone was available only in white, black or colorless form are long gone. A typical example is the construction of verandas offered in a wide range of colors. DL sales engineers are always available to offer you advice about colors. Apart from an extensive range of standard colors, DL should normally be able to produce any other colors required. A spectrophotometer can be used to measure a color sample and provide a perfect match. The color is analyzed and the adjusted formula calculated via software. Color pastes and a basic silicone product are used with a view to laboratory scale production. The color obtained after extensive mixing is compared with the required color, both with a spectrophotometer and the naked eye, until the best possible match is achieved.